How to restore your WordPress site to localhost. In this video, I'll show you how to restore in localhost hosts you backup from WordPress site by Duplicator. So I have here is my backup file was created from Duplicator. Select all, then copy, Ctrl C. Then I will go to my htdocs, and then I will create a new folder like WP site backup. That's name, WP site backup. Then Control V to paste here for backup file. After paste the file, then I need the spelling, then Control C to copy, and this is my local host and here port is 820. Just paste here a site folder name, then slash, then installer.php, then hit enter. Yes, here you can see the duplicator name or come from duplicator plugins. I am copying by duplicator. Then here action mode and setting. I am using action database. Then has empty database, backup existing table, skip database existing, and create new database. I need to create new database, then I am clicking here to create new database. Host name is local host and database name I'm putting WP backup WP site backup. Control C. Then the username should be my local host username. This is important. Sorry, root, and here I need password or my database PHP my admin password. Just I know that is simple password, then it's open, and I am putting here the same password, the valid password. Then I'm clicking validate to confirm. Yes, this is passed, but character set collation capability is on, but this is not call yeah, UTF-8. UTF-8 MB3 is missing, but no problem. Then here is confirm terms and condition. Then go and click next to installation, and then OK, and existing to archive file, as you can see. Here is file processed almost 46,000 file, more than 46,000 file is existing to archive file. Here all including the site's images, themes and plugins. Just wait a few minutes. I'm skipping almost 77% or 80% done. Then waiting to completing. Need more few minutes. Almost done. 95%. Yeah. Processing data replacement. Final WordPress test. Yeah, shop all file has been migrated to new. Then we can see here, this is my site name. As in here, my folder name. Yeah, almost done. All is done, and in here I'm seeing all site is perfectly run into my local host, and everything doing perfect. So thanks for watching the video. If you have informative this video, please subscribe to support me.